Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a different type of question of GST by Amal Agrawal book. Exercise is 1 and question number is 2. Let's see what is given and what we have to do. A shopkeeper buys a camera at a discount of 20% from a wholesaler. So who is the first person? Wholesaler is the first person. He will sell a camera to the shopkeeper. He is the second person, and who is the third person we will read, then we'll get to know. So a shopkeeper buys a camera at a discount of 20% from a wholesaler. The printed price of the camera being 1600. Okay. The shopkeeper sells it to a consumer. Okay. Third person is consumer at the printed price. If the sales are intrastate, means in all the dealings are going in same state. So the GST will be divided into two equal parts, 6%. And the rate of GST is 12%. Find the following things. So before going to sub question 1, 2, 3 and 4, let us solve all the sum with the help of the given data. When we will solve all the sum, then we will come to the sub question part. So let's start. With the help of these lines, we are going to do some work. Question number 2, exercise 1. The dealing is between wholesaler, shopkeeper and consumer. So we will solve the sum in two parts. First selling will be between wholesaler and shopkeeper, and second selling between shopkeeper and consumer. So what is given? It is given that wholesaler will sell his camera to shopkeeper at discount of 20% from the list price. What was the list price? List price was 1600, and then he will give 20% discount on it. So we will solve it, and then I will write the value. What is the answer? That what is the selling price of the camera? Okay, and then shopkeeper sells his camera to the consumer at the list price or the printed price, means at the cost of 1600. In first question, you must remember there was no change, no solution part here. I will show you that thing also. In first question, you have seen that there is no change in or any calculation part. Here we have done calculation part between dealer and consumer. That's why I've chosen second question, because here there is no calculation part between shopkeeper and consumer. We need to do a little bit solution between wholesaler and shopkeeper. Why? Because here is a discount. So what is the thing which is given? Wholesaler will sell a camera to the shopkeeper on 20% discount on his list price, and list price is 1600 rupees and discount is 20%. Then shopkeeper will sell the same camera to the consumer or the customer. Okay, what is the GST? GST is 12%. GST is 12%. Okay, shopkeeper will pay because the sale is what? Intrastate. Since sale is intrastate, therefore 6% CGST, central government GST, and 6% SGST will be paid in both the cases, here and here. Okay, will be paid. So from here we will start. Okay, when shopkeeper will pay GST, that will be what? That will be 12%. Half is 6%. 6% of 6% input as GST and 6% input CGST. Here I want to mention IGST also. You just think the selling is between two states. Maybe wholesaler and shopkeeper will be both belongs to different states, and shopkeeper consumer also belongs to two different states. Then what? then no need to divide it into 6%. Directly you will solve like 12% IGST. Okay, and the answer will be same, 12% IGST. Here is also 12% IGST. Why? Sale will be interstate when two different states are there, but we are solving some still about intrastate, means same state is there, so tax will be given half to central government and half to state government. So, and similarly consumer will also pay 6% of 6% SGST and 6% CGST. And what is the amount? We will calculate and then we will write the values here. This will be input CGST and input SGST, and this will be output SGST and output CGST. Okay, now let's start the sum. Left right part. First sum is between these two, wholesaler and shopkeeper. Okay, selling price, we'll write selling price of camera for wholesaler is equals to list price minus discount. And what was the list price? List price was 1600 minus 20% of 1600. So we will solve it. 1600 minus 20 by 100 into 1600, 0 cancelled. So here is 1600 minus 20 into 16 is 320. So this is rupees 1280. It means wholesaler will take rupees 1280, that is 1280 rupees for camera. Okay, shopkeeper will pay this 1280 rupees selling price for wholesaler, but cost price for shopkeeper. Cost price of what? Of camera. Now this amount is for wholesaler. Shopkeeper has to pay tax also to state government and central government. So we are going to find out that how much tax he will pay for this camera to state government. So let's see. Input SGST is equals to 6% of 1080 rupees. So 6 upon 100 into 1280, 0 cancelled, and this will be 76 rupees, 768 actually, 768 upon 10, so rupee 76.80 paise. This will be SGST. It means shopkeeper will pay 76 rupee 80 paise to state government as GST, goods and services tax. Okay, and similar amount he will pay to central government also, but we need to show that step also. So input, here is input, output, not output, that was input. CGST is what? Output. We'll find out this side. This side we are doing left part. So input CGST is again 6% of 1280 rupees. So it is 6 upon 100 into 180, and again we'll do the calculation, and this is 768 divided by 10, so rupees 76 and 80 paise. So 76 rupee 80 paise will be input CGST. It means shopkeeper will pay 68 rupee 80 paise as CGST, for central government this tax, for state government this tax, and this amount for camera. So total amount paid by shopkeeper is 1280 plus this, right? Or we can say cost price of camera plus input SGST plus input CGST paid by shopkeeper to the wholesaler. Wholesaler will keep this money with him or her, and he will completely pay this total amount to state government and this amount to central government. Now coming to right side. Now dealing is between shopkeeper and consumer. If you don't want to draw this part, you directly understand that a diagram is drawn. Left side you are drawing for input SGST. Mentally you can think about this diagram. left part you are solving for input SGST CGST, and right side you are solving for output SGST and output CGST, right? Or if you'll draw this thing, then it will help you to understand and easily solve the sum. So now, selling price of camera for for shopkeeper is actually CP of camera for consumer, and that is what, that is equals to list price. What is list price? Rupees 1600. There is no calculation because directly rate is given, no profit loss. Already he is in profit. You just see 1280 rupees shopkeeper has paid because he got the camera with the with discount. So already he is in profit. He bought it in 1280 rupees and selling it in 1600 rupees. So what is, consumer will pay 1600 rupee to shopkeeper for camera. Now he is supposed to pay tax also to both the government, state government as well as central government. So we are going to find out that output SGST, again it is 6% of what, this amount, 6% of 1600, that is 6 by 100 into 1600, 00 cancelled, so it is 6 into 16, 16 6 rupees 96 in output SGST, and output CGST is equals to 6% of 1600, that is 6 by 100 into 1600, 00 cancelled, rupees 96. Okay, now let's come back to the diagram. It means consumer will pay 96 rupees as SGST and 96 rupee as CGST. So total money paid by consumer is what? He will pay 1600 rupees to shopkeeper, 96 rupees to state government as tax, and 96 rupees to central government as GST. Okay, now our main maths part is done. Now we are coming to our question. See what is given in question number 1. Please show the question. Here is the first question. What is given? GST paid by shopkeeper, GST paid by the shopkeeper to the central government. So GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government is what? It will be, show here please on the diagram. Shopkeeper tax, net tax is what? Whatever he has collected from consumer as tax minus whatever he has paid, that is his net tax. You got that? This tax he has collected from consumer, that was 96 rupees, and whatever he has paid, that was 76 rupees 80 paise. So we will subtract these two, that will be the tax paid by shopkeeper, the mediator. In first question, at the middle, who was there? Dealer was there, and here shopkeeper is there. Okay, so GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government is output GST, means GST paid by consumer is named as output GST, minus input GST. This GST is paid by shopkeeper. So net GST paid by shopkeeper is what? This is for central government, so this will be CGST. CGST, what was CGST? That was 96, and so here, and here what was CGST, input CGST? That was minus 76 rupees 80 paise. So net tax paid by shopkeeper is 19 rupees 20 paise. I hope that line is clear. Please come back to the diagram. See, shopkeeper has paid rupees 76 rupee 80 paise. Actually this total tax is paid by wholesaler to the government. Okay, because he sold a item of big amount, that was 1280 rupees, but shopkeeper earning is less as compared to wholesaler, that is 1600 minus 280 rupees. So on a small amount he has to pay small tax also, that's why his tax for wholesaler tax amount is 76 rupees 80 paise, while shopkeeper tax is 19 rupees 20 paise for one government, that is central government, and equal amount for state government also. So this is answer, first answer. Second number, GST received by central government, it means total GST, okay, input output. So let's see how we'll do that. GST received by central government is equals to CGST paid by wholesaler. As I told you in previous video, in video number 2 also, that GST is not paid directly by consumer, it is paid by first two sellers. So CGST paid by first person, and that was wholesaler in this question, plus net CGST paid by shopkeeper. And what is that? CGST paid by wholesaler was what? That was 76 rupee 80 paise. And how much money paid by shopkeeper? This was rupee 90 rupees 20 paise. So when we will add it, it will become what? It is 96 rupee. So total GST collected by central government is rupees 96. You just see, this comes out from consumer's pocket. In two parties is divided. Out of 96, 76 rupees 80 paise wholesaler will pay, and this 19 rupee 20 paise this shopkeeper will pay. But the reality is that both the tax comes from consumer only, but directly consumer can't pay this tax. Now third number, see what is third number question. Please show the question. GST received by state government, again total GST, same answer will there. GST received by state government. GST received by state government is what? Almost similar statement. Here we have written CGST, here we will write as GST. As GST paid by wholesaler plus SGST paid by shopkeeper. So what is SGST? Again that was 676 rupee 80 paise, and it is 19 rupees 20 paise. So this will be what? This will be again 96 rupee. This is third answer. Now what is third question? Last question. The amount at which the consumer bought the camera. So we'll write the statement. Fourth number, total amount paid by consumer is what? As I told you, CP of camera plus output CGST plus input CGST. Before putting the value, again I am showing you, CP of camera for consumer was 1600, output CGST has to pay 96 rupee, and output CGST 96 and SGST 96. So this plus this plus this will be answer. That is 1600 plus 96 plus 96, that is equals to rupees 1792 rupees. This is the last answer. So children, please do practice regularly, then it will become very easy to solve GST sums. Thank you.